So this is what it looks like after everything has been marked. Everything has been done with a permanent marker or a waterproof marker, whichever one. I just use these regular ones here, whiteboard markers. The reason for the way the tile's laid out is because it allows me to maximize cuttage. This is going on top of a bench wall. It's going to tie in with the rest of the soap niche, which is also made out of this tile. Not really sure what tile it is, but or the name of it, but I'm just kind of calling it like a leaf kind of deco. So it's Viviano marble tile. It is called, it's leaf, yeah, leaf honed. So now we're going to head to the tile saw. We're going to go ahead and cut out right along the grooves right here, and then we're actually going to use the grinder over there to go through and just kind of curve out the rest, and then we'll go through with a polishing pad and make sure everything's all polished and make this all good to go. That way tomorrow we can get this installed.